The more I examine the sample games, the more I realize that I have to teach you about binary numbers. The counting numbers we used are called base 10. We call it that because it is made up of 10 numbers, specifically 0 through 9. I'm sure in grade school you learned about the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands place. Setting numbers next to each other change their value. This is the same with binary. Binary is a base 2 system, meaning it uses two numbers, 0 and 1. How can you count with only two numbers? You use the placement of these numbers. Each 0 or 1 is referred to as a bit, 4 bits together are a nibble, and 8 bits are a byte. In this video we're just going to keep it small and use a nibble. You start off with 4 zeros. When you put a 1 in the place of any of those zeros, it changes the value. Let's start off by putting a 1 on the far right. This is the ones place, and now you can guess it represents the number 1. In order to represent the number 2, we need to change the ones place to a 0 and put a 1 in the second place from the right, also referred to as the twos place. Here's where you really start to get it. In order to get 3, you leave the 1 in the twos place and just add a 1 in the ones place. Now if you want to get 4, you start everything back at 0, put a 1 in the fours place. The leftmost 0 is the eights place. You should be getting it right about now. There's plenty of tutorials out there on binary.